My dear friends, you are most welcome on my channel. My all three channels because I will upload this video on my three channel. That is Namaste Sada Manavta, Bhagavat Dhanavta or Truth Handle or Vijay Kumar Palik writer, and the second channel Vijay Kumar Vijay Kumar a writer, and the third one is Kafir International Organization. So my aim to make the channel to fight against the Islamic Gunism, Islamic hooliganism, Islamic brutal attacks on the non-Muslims throughout the world, who had burned the Quran so many times. Salman Momika was murdered, brutally murdered by these Islamic goons. All the Islamic scholars or the Islamic clerics are the Islamic goons because they are provide the platform to the Islamic terrorists to kill the non-Muslims. And my European brother, if you are understand my language, that is English, though my mother tongue is Hindi. I belongs to India, but now I am telling in English because most of the people, the most speaking language is the English throughout the world. Although sometimes it may be second speaking language, but this is not true because 40% of the population of India are well known to the English, and so many people of the who are not the English speakers are well known to the English and can speak and understood the English. This is why I am telling you in this video in English language. My appeal to all the United Kingdom, the Australia and New Zealand and the USA, that we must have to fight against this ideology. Otherwise, every day one Salman Momika will be murdered as by the brutal hand of the Islamic goons. Actually, the Prophet Muhammad was also a goon because who killed so many people during his lifetime. He looted or robbed so many caravans of the Jews. He killed so many women. One woman was the Asma bint Marwan, a Jewish poetess who always criticized the Muhammad ideology of the looting of the women or rape with the women of the non-Muslim. Because according to Islam, the robbery and the rapes, especially the terrorist rape, is certified by the Islam. And the Prophet Muhammad committed such heinous crime, and my appeal to Trump sahab, Mr. Trump, Donald Trump, please arrest the all Islamic scholars in the United States of America and all the scholars in United Kingdom and all throughout the world. All the Islamic scholars must be arrested because these are goons. These are the goons. And the madrasa are the epic center of the brutal murder conspiracy platform throughout the world. A Chicago Maulvi, Islamic goon, that is Yasir Nasim Al-Wazdi, doctor who hails from the India, is a Islamic goon and he is a traitor of the United States of America. Mr. Donald Trump must aware about the Islamic ideology, which is very, very dangerous to the society. The next coming generation of the Western European and United States of America and even the India, where the population of the Hindus is more than 112 crores. But they are afraid of this Islamic goonism, Islamic dictatorship. There are as many goons, Islamic goons in this India, that is Akbaruddin Owaisi, Asuddin Owaisi, though they are nominated or selected or elected by the peoples, because those people who selected the Islamic goon, this Islamic goon, are the provoking the violence. I would like to say, if anybody, any non-Muslim vote to the Muslim, he is certainly a great stupidity. After reading the Quran, you must know that a single vote goes to the any Muslim candidate throughout the world. If he is your true Muslim and he is following the killing virtual path of the Islam, that is your vote will be kill you or your next coming generation throughout the world. Salman Momika is not the one instance. There are so many killing by these Islamic goons. because the so-called Prophet Muhammad was a goon. He was great. He was the worse than the Hitler and the Napoleon Bonaparte and any other spiritual person. He was even worse than the Muhammad, Ravan. The Ravana is the part of the Indian mythology that Ravan was a rogue person and he kidnapped the wife of the Lord Rama, that is the Mata Sita or Mother Sita of the all the followers of Sanatan Vedic Dharam. Or this is why the Ravan was killed by the Lord Rama due to the kidnapping of the single woman. But this prophet was the day-to-day robber or the rapist. And in the Islam, the Male Ganimat or the robbery is certified, and the 20% share of that loot goes to this so-called Prophet Muhammad according to Islam. In my view, he is not a prophet. He is a rogue person because he killed so many Jews, Jews and the Christian during his lifetime. He looted so many women and he sold so many women in the market of Nazar, in the Saudi Arabia, the highland of middle highland of Saudi Arabia. That is the Nazar. So what we should do that the 29th January was the burnt day of the Quran Jalao Divas. It will be celebrated throughout the world, and the black strip on the right hand and the left hand, both hand, and kill, and the effigy of the Islam will be beaten by the Suj, garlanded by the Suj. So this will be next in future, and the 20 month must be dedicated to all the people who were killed by this rogue ideology which created by the rogue person that is known as Prophet Muhammad Sahib. Prophet Muhammad, he was not the Sahib, he was the demon, he was the devil, he was the Satan, and he killed so many women. Also, as I earlier told you, that the Asma bint Marwan was killed by so-called prophet because she was a great poetess. She wrote so many poems to disclosing the robbery, the killings and the rapes of the so-called Prophet Muhammad. So these two books, if you purchase my book, this is my duty, this is my firm determination that the income of these books which you will purchase will go to the all deceased family of the Salman Momika and any other non-Muslim who were killed by these Islamic monsters, as the Mr. Kanhaiya Lal was killed by these Islamic goons, and the Chandan Gupta was also killed by these Islamic goons. My condolation to these people, and my aim to only help the naturally to those people who are not survived by the hands of the Islamic goons. Since inception of the Islam, these Islamic goons are creating the nuisance and havoc or ruckus throughout the world. And it is very amazing that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Donald Trump and many head of the state did not say even a single word. So I have decided now that my vote on the 5th February will go to the Nota, because there is no single candidate which is suitable. Even any candidate of these political parties in the Delhi, they do not know single ABCD who was the Salman Momika. I am with the human values and humanity, not the such type of bunches of joker politicians who do not know what is the brutality and cruelty in Islam or the Islamic jurisprudence or in the book that is known the Quran. Quran is the satanic book who always kill the non-Muslim, and Islamic doctrine is the bunches of the goons, and the head was the prophet, so-called Prophet Muhammad bin Abdullah, who was a rapist, who was a pedophile, who was the killer of the Jews, Christian, and after that, after following this ideology which is known as Islam, all the Hindus women were molested by these robbers. That was the Turkish. And my Pakistan brother, you should know that you are converted now to Muslim, but your great grandmother were raped by these Turkish and the Arabic Muslims due to the Islamic ideology to rape with the non-Muslim woman, and after kidnapping them, rape with them, and then convert to Islam as Malkai Hanimat or the sex slave. So this is my book dedicated to all the people who were killed by these Islamic goons. This is Lament of Sinjar, Tears of a Yazidi Woman by Vijay Kumar Pal. You can purchase on the platform Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Lament of Sinjar, Tears of Yazidi Woman, how the Yazidi women were raped by the Islamic goon Abu Bakr Baghdadi, who are following the same ideology which was perpetrated or protected by so-called Islamic goons. The most dreadful Islamic goon was the so-called Prophet Muhammad. This is my second book, Blender of Blasphemy in Blender. And every person who is humanitarian in values must burn the ground throughout the India, throughout the world, on this planet. Otherwise, this universe or the culture or the civilization of this planet will be wiped out these Islamic goons. So this is my the Blender of Blasphemy in Blender by Vijay Kumar Pal, and many books you can purchase. This is my firm dedication. I give the money, maximum money, which will be accommodated or accumulated by the purchasing these two books or my any other books. That is the Johor, the Lost Paradise Kashmir, and Venomous Fangs of Cobra, Paranayu of Occult. So many books. My name is Vijay Kumar Pal. You can search my name in the Google, and all books will be revealed after searching in the Google platform, Amazon, and Flipkart. Thank you very much. I think the Quran burnt day will be 29th January every year, and every 29th date of month will be the hatred. Will be the day for the criticizing the Quran or curse the Quran. These my books, please purchase these books, Lament of Sinjar, Tears of Yazidi Woman, and this Blender of Blasphemy. Thank you very much. My appeal to all, please purchase these books. And even the YouTube is a mischievous platform who always hide our hide our channels, hide our videos, and reduce the availability on the platform. So please share my channel to every person on the WhatsApp, on any platform which you have find or which you have downloaded in the mobile or your other appliances, electronic appliances. Thank you very much. And the Islam Murdabad, and the so-called Prophet Muhammad was Murdabad. He was the robber, he was the killer, he was the rapist, he was the Prophet Muhammad Murdabad. Islam Murdabad. Thank you very much.